Now up underneath the dash, just to the left of the blow motor, here's your blow motor resistor with harness. I'm gonna go ahead and use our 7/32 socket to go ahead and remove this. I'm going to go ahead and pull the unit out, and with the unit out we can see the connector right here. So I'm just going to use my pick, gently lift up on it, loosen it. And then wiggle the harness off of this. So what we want to do is we want to start by taking this electrical tape off of here. And this particular vehicle has already had a harness replacement on it. You can see by the connectors and the gray wires here matched up to the multicolors here. So we want to pay close attention to the tan, blue, red, and yellow when it matches up to the placement on this connector itself. So this side here is a lock tab, and this side here does not. And what we're going to do to make sure that we match these up the same is this. We're going to replace one at a time. We want to match up our harness, get the length out of it. So we're going to have to cut a little bit further back on this, so we want to make this harness a hair bit longer. So we're going to take our harness back to about here, and we're going to cut all of these. And we want to take a little bit of the material off here. Do this for all 4 wires. Like to twist these, make them nice and neat. Now what we're going to do is take our connectors and line these up, insert into it. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the other side in, and we're going to crimp it together. That way we don't crimp one side and half of the other and cause a connection issue. So let's do this. I'm going to snip our tan wire. Strip this one back a little bit. Give it a tug, make sure that's a solid connection, and then repeat for the other 3. Okay, we have all 4 connected. Now we're going to use some electrical tape, and we're going to wrap our harness. Keep it nice and clean and protected. now I'm going to go ahead and reinsert or insert the new blow motor resistor, and we'll get our 2 screws installed to hold that in place. Alright, once those are snug, simply want to take your harness that we just made, go ahead and line that up and snap it into place. And you hear it click, and you're all set.